Hey guys, it's Keegan. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we are going to go apartment shopping online edition. I've done a few apartment shopping videos where I wear my mask when out in public, everything, but there are still a few things that I want to get online because they're cheaper online. So I have a list in my phone of all the things. that I need to get, and I thought it'd be fun to take you guys with me online apartment shopping. If you guys want to check out any of the apartment shopping videos that I've done in person, so I actually went to Target and all these places, I will link those down below if you guys find that more entertaining. Got my laptop. We're gonna screen record my laptop so you guys can see everything that I want to get. Please don't be dead. Is she dead? Oh, she's not. Kind of dying though, so maybe I should plug it in. Hello. Now it's frozen. Sweet. Okay. I always get asked how I screen record. I record in QuickTime. Oh, by the way, I have 2 giveaways going on right now. I have a back to school giveaway and then I have a gift card giveaway going on Instagram. I think you guys should enter because that will be fun. I will have all the stuff down below if you guys want to check them out. Here's my list. You can't see it, but I have a bunch of stuff that I want to get. Okay, so the first thing that I'm kind of wanting to get is a rug. I want to get a neutral rug. It needs to be cheap. I don't want to spend that much money. I want it to be big. That one's kind of nice. I don't want it to shed either. Actually, I kind of like that one. This one, 4 feet by 6 feet. I don't know why I started choking out of nowhere. That is way too cheap. That has to be small. Where's my... Do I have my ruler? Not my ruler. Where did I put it? I have a measuring tape. I feel like this might be too busy though. Ooh, I like this one. Whenever it says sponsored, I'm like, is that a scam? I do like that one. I don't want it to be too busy. Is that the one that I saw online that I liked? Was I really about to spend that much money on a rug? Neutral rug. Okay, why is that? That does not feel right that it's that. We don't shop on Wayfair. I'm not gonna shop on Wayfair. Human trafficking, we don't support that. Let's go back to Amazon. We're just gonna toggle back and forth from Amazon to other places. This one is just kind of calling me, but I don't know if it's the right vibe for the room. Oh, I'm trying to think. I don't even know how big the room is, so I'm like, will that fit? I do like this one, but the fact that it's sponsored, is it not even Prime? So cute. Yeah, I like, is it orange? Okay, I actually really like this one, but I just don't know. 4 feet by 6 feet. I'm 5'6", so it's a little bit, it's that much more than me, right? Is that 4? Maybe, yeah. I'm just going to take the links and I'm just gonna put them into my apartment folder. Look at how cute. What did I just do? Look at how cute. I made my folders into little rainbows, but I forgot to do it to this one. So I'm just gonna put the links that I like so I can buy them when I'm done with this video, because I don't want to waste time putting in my credit card information or debit card information during this video, and I also don't want you guys to steal it and scam me. I also like this one. This one's a lot bigger actually. You know what? I'm just gonna put this one in there too. My computer is burning my leg. Put this blanket under it. I'm sorry if it's not as cute. I feel like those 2 rugs are good. I'm gonna ask my mom her opinion because I trust her opinion. Oh, a spatula. My mom has a spatula that is so good. You can cut with it. It's maybe I should type in stainless steel one, but I just don't want a spatula unless it's that level good. I don't want one of these plastic ones. Oh, kind of like this, you know? Yeah. I'm gonna type in stainless steel. Stainless steel. Yes, is this what it is? I think this is the exact one. Is it Prime? I'm actually getting this one. I don't know what it is about this stupid spatula. So good. You can cut chicken with it. I use it every single day, and I was kind of stressed about not being able to steal it from my mom's house. Wait, but this one was the sponsored one, so is that sketch? And part of me is Prime ho, and I'm I won't buy something if it's not Prime. I mean, that's kind of expensive for a spatula, but it changes the game. I know that no one cares about a spatula as much as I do, but I care. Bathroom stuff. I'm sharing a bathroom with my friend Lauren. We are both the most I don't care people in the world. We both are just it doesn't matter, whatever works. Our whole idea of a bathroom is we just want to buy whatever is cheapest. The one thing that she requested was a get naked rug. That looks so comfy. We kind of talked about this before. We want it to be inexpensive. See, we don't want that. I think the Urban Outfitters, whenever I type get naked, it kind of sketches me out. Urban Outfitters has this really cute one, but that's expansive, you know? No, that is really cute actually. I kind of really like that. But we don't want to spend a ton of money on a bathroom because it's a bathroom. Obviously, before I buy anything, I'm gonna check with her, but we both kind of talked about this before, and we looked this up, and I'm trying to see if there's a cheaper one. Actually, this is the one that I think that we both decided that we want. Okay, that arrived after I move in. Epic and naked. So this is the one that we agreed on that we like, but now there's only one left in stock. We looked at this one. We didn't really like this one. This one I like it, but is it too aggressive? I think this is just way too much in my opinion. We just thought it'd be cute and quirky. We also need a bathroom set. She sent me this one link that had a ton of good stuff to it, so that if I find a cheaper one, then we should go with that one. I think this is the one that she found, which is I really like this with the wood and everything. There's trash can, a plunger. There's this one, which is all white, which is $30. Our bathroom is going to have a lot of white in it because our cabinets are white. I just love the wood, you know, because it's just like trendy. It arrives before we move in. Cute, cute. Okay, so I'm gonna put that. That's one that we both liked, but again, we were like, if there's something cheaper, I won't be mad about it. Other one that I see, kind of depends on what we want. I'm gonna send her both, and she'll probably have to be the one to make the decision because I don't make decisions very well. I am the most like, it doesn't matter person you'll ever meet. I like the wood one more. It is more expensive. I want to mount my TV to the wall. It's right there, and I don't want one that you can turn it because my room's small and that just takes up a lot of space. Not what I want. This one looks like it doesn't move. I don't want to move her. Amazon's choice. This one doesn't look like it moved. They look so happy. I've never met people that are like happy to mount TV in walls because it's just complicated. Low profile for saving space. That is what we want, but I don't want it tilt down. Please adjust the tilt and plug in cords before the TV is mounted on the wall. Oh, so you can tilt it. Okay, yeah, I actually really like this one, and that's not a bad deal. It's $23. I for some reason thought they'd be like 50 or 60. I'm sure like the bougie ones are, but this one is just simple. I want to get the LED light strips to put behind it so it will glow. Do I have to buy like the connector thing, or do they automatically go for the app? Like I don't want to have to buy the hub. That's just complicated. For iOS or Android, I don't need a lot of feet because it's just going behind. This seems really cool. Pin to connector, but what the connector, do I need to buy a connector? Why is everything delivering on Wednesday? Today's when, that's a week. Isn't Amazon supposed to be like 2-day shipping? It's just not Prime. I guess the one thing that I need is like a cord hider wall. What does that even mean? Yeah, one of these things that kind of covers it because my TV will be like, yeah, what's the cheapest one I can find on here? I think this one might be the cheapest one. Since it's Amazon's, well, it's sponsored. It just sketches me out. But it is Amazon. This is a bestseller. That's a move. Cute decor. Let's just look up decor just so I can find if I like see anything that I'm like loving. This is what I want. This is exactly what I want. So maybe I should just do this instead of the light. Oh, that is it listening to me? But does it come with white? Because I kind of want white. Oh, it does come with white. 16 colors. Okay, I want this one. Sign me up for her. And I think it's cheaper than the other one. Okay, is there anything else that I'm like dying for? That's kind of cute. Ooh, never mind. Okay, I realized that I was screen recording and then I closed my computer laptop and then I was like, oh my god, did I lose the screen recording? Okay, now it's saving. But I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it wasn't boring because I wasn't really looking for decor, but it was things that I needed. I don't know. I hope that you liked this video. I hope that it was fun and entertaining for you to watch. Definitely check out my other apartment shopping videos if you want to see me getting some decor. I love you guys. Don't forget to enter my giveaways and subscribe too. Subscribe. If you want to see all this stuff in action, if you want to see my really cute apartment that I'm decorating that I'm so excited for, subscribe. But I love you and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.